Hello everybody, this is Taylor Peterson, and this is my source code assignment. So here's my website, homepage. Okay, let's do this page actually. This is Spotlight page, and I'm going to show you the source code tag for this image right here. It's the first image on the page. Right, okay. So right here, these are the tags for the first and second images. So that's going to be the first image right there. And directly after that code, you will see right here, go navigate this correctly. Right after that, right here, is the next image, starting with the HTTPS. Thank you for listening to my source code assignment. And I am referencing the first photo on this page, on my Spotlight page. Thank you.